everyone. I hope y'all are doing fantastic. I am so tired. Have you? I literally shopped till I dropped today. A really good friend of ours came and got us, and we wanted to go out to South Point, Ohio, where they just opened up a brand new Aldi or Aldi, depending on how you all say it. And so it was a brand new store, and I had never been to that one, obviously, and it was near Sam's. So all I bought at Sam's was cases of water, because here where I live, Sam's is ultimately the cheapest place to get bottled water. And I always stay stocked up, especially this time of year, because there are always water issues in our area all the time. So that we don't run out of drinking water and water that we can use, I always keep extra cases of water on hand. So, I don't know if you guys remember, but last year when I threw the Christmas party, we was on a boil water alert then, and so we couldn't use the ice maker, and so I have a, what do you call it, a drink fridge upstairs. So I had to bring it downstairs and load it full of soda and make sure it was cold before the party. I don't know if you all remember that, but we have frequent problems here because honestly, I think that everything as far as the water and anything underground really needs to be replaced because it is ancient and old. So anyways, I went to Sam's today, and then we went to Aldi, and it was so nice. The store is brand new, smells brand new. They've got a big Christmas aisle and all the goodies. And I did buy a few things, and I thought in this video, I'll just show you an Aldi haul because I used to do these all the time. And I am going to try to make it a point to go to Aldi's a little bit more frequently. I didn't need a whole lot when I went this time. I just need to get through the next week, and then I will hit the store again for the remainder of this month, and then the first of next month I will hit the store again because then I'm going to have company for a few days. And that way, I know that I am stocked up and I have everything I need and all as well. I just kind of figured that would be the best way to go about the time. So one more thing that I did buy from Sam's besides my water. I don't know if I said that was all I bought, but that's not all I bought. I have been looking for new throw pillows for my living room. And I don't know if these have a tag. Yeah, they do. They have a tag. I don't know what let me see. What did you say? They are Luxe Fur pillows. They are 2 pillows and 22 by 22 pillows. And it says it's available in several different solid colors. They had white, gray, and I was thinking that's it, white and gray. And there may have been one more, another color. It might have been burgundy or something. But I opted for the gray ones. Hopefully you guys can see okay. I needed some new ones for my couch really badly. And I was really trying to find buffalo plaid pillows. And everywhere I went, they didn't quite have what I wanted. And I wanted a nice size squishy pillow for my couch. And they were expensive, like a set of 2. I'm going to take these off. A set of 2 ranged for between $39.99 and $52. And I thought to myself, that is really expensive for pillows. So I got these 2 furry pillows for $19.99. So I didn't think that I did too bad. It's kind of an early Christmas present to myself because I have been looking for them for a long time. And we're going to get company for Christmas party and family coming in. And I thought it would be just so nice to have some nice, pretty pillows on my couch. Plus, can I just say, they feel so good. They feel so good. And these will be nice to cuddle with and watch a Christmas movie down here and just enjoy. Can you guys see that I am working on Christmas? I got all the Christmas stuff out yesterday, and it was a job. So we got all the boxes out of the attic, out of the closet, carried it all downstairs. I took out of it what I needed. Yesterday, I spent the entire day fluffing the tree and the garland. So the garland is all up on the fireplace, and the tree is up. The garland over here on the staircase is up. All the lights work and everything. But I don't have any bows made or decorations put in yet. And so that probably will not happen until probably Monday. And I really hate to wait that long. But I'm going to church in the morning. Today's Saturday, by the way. I'm going to church in the morning. And it just seems like by the time I go to church and I come back, and understand that on the days that we go to Sunday school, I get up at 6:30 in the morning and have my coffee. And by the time I get lunch/dinner made, I am tired. Today, though, we had a big treat because we went to a place called Jolly Pirates. Now, typically, Jolly Pirates is known for their donuts. They are supreme, wonderful donuts. I had a, what did I have? I had a chocolate glazed, chocolate filled donut. Ronnie had a Bavarian cream, and my friend Danny had a twist, some kind of donut twist. It looked really good. We had lunch there too, and before the donuts. We had lamb gyros. If you have never had a lamb gyro, you all are missing out. They are so delicious. So basically, it's like lamb meat, lettuce, tomato, red onions, and this cucumber sauce that you put on it. And it's like on a pita bread. And they serve it with fresh French fries. I mean, fresh out of the press French fries. And oh my goodness, it is so, so good. I came home with my Diet Pepsi, and I've been sipping on it. But yes, we had a very enjoyable day today. Then so our friend, we are having Thanksgiving at his house, so he had to pick up a lot of things. So not only did I go to Sam's and Aldi, but I also went to Walmart, which I didn't get anything. And where else did we go? Is that it? And Kroger. We went to Kroger. So we've been to 3 grocery stores today. But we enjoy our time with Danny's our friend. With Danny, and anyways, we just had a good time. It was great getting out. And I'm going to share with you guys my haul. And then I got to put everything away and try to pull myself together for tomorrow. So I got to take the garbages out and preload my coffee pot and get things going around here. And I hope you guys enjoy this haul. Okay, here we go. It's not a real fancy haul, but it is what I bought from Aldi. So I got some hot Italian sausage, 2 things of cottage cheese, because not only has my husband been eating it, but I have too. I don't know. I've just been having my craving for cottage cheese. Now at Walmart, I forgot I did buy these 2 cans of coffee. It's very hard to find. Our Walmart here hasn't had any forever, so I just went ahead and stocked up and got 2 cans of that. These are like a little under $11 a piece. A gallon of whole milk. You always need milk. A thing of biscuits. I got some Karo syrup. And I did buy the roasted garlic spaghetti sauce. They did not have my usual, which is I like mushroom. I prefer a mushroom sauce, but that's okay. We're going with this week. Some mild cheddar. I got 2 things of that. Some marshmallows because I think I'm going to make some Rice Krispie treats. Also got a can of pumpkin, even though I made my own puree. Some black olives for some egg salad this week. This for some fajitas and tacos this week. I'm going to be taking pasta salad to Danny's house for Thanksgiving, so I got some Italian dressing. Some real mayonnaise. Pizza snacks, which is their version of the pizza rolls. Because sometimes it's just nice to have something really simple to eat or fix. 3 peppers. There's a red, yellow, and I think this is, and an orange, which I love all. I got candy cane. These are like candy cane Oreos. A thing of turkey lunch meat for, when I use this, I use it in omelets. Also, another roasted garlic spaghetti sauce. A big bag of walnuts. I did buy 2 things of Andy's candy, mint candy, just to have on hand for the holidays here at the house. Got some crunchy fish fillets for fish sandwiches. This is what I love Aldi's for, is the huge thing of hash browns. We love those hash browns. They are so good. I did buy this. I've never used this before, but it's like a room spray or like a sleep spray. We tried it in the store and it smells phenomenal. 2 things of white bread. I got some chicken tenderloins and I bought the Christmas tree cakes that everybody raves about all the time. And I love these with coffee. This is a very bad thing for me to buy, but I'm not buying anymore. That's it. That's it, guys. So that is my haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. So I don't know if I'm going to get out 3 videos this week. I'm hoping so. But if in case I don't, just know that I've just had a very busy schedule, and I am hoping to get caught up because Vlogmas starts really soon. I am planning to video our Thanksgiving, if it's okay with Danny, which I don't anticipate that it's going to be a problem. And yeah, so that's going to be about it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.